Hello and welcome to the HoloWare Tech Podcast. I'm Nazia, your host for today, and we are talking about a powerful upgrade for your laptop performance: 8 GB DDR4 RAM. Having sufficient RAM is key to seamless multitasking and smooth operations. At HoloWare, we understand the need for both performance and portability, which is why our Executive Series laptops come with 8 GB DDR4 RAM, delivering that perfect balance for those who need speed and power without breaking the bank. Let's start by talking about why 8 GB DDR4 RAM is the sweet spot for most laptop users. The DDR4 technology in these laptops provides faster speeds, ensuring that your device can handle demanding applications with ease. Whether you are juggling multiple tabs, editing large files, or enjoying an immersive gaming experience, this configuration gives you the ability to keep up with your tasks. Paired with Intel Core processors, the 8 GB DDR4 RAM boosts overall system responsiveness, allowing for smooth performance even during high-demand sessions. HoloWare's Executive Series laptops feature a powerful combination of 8 GB DDR4 RAM and Intel Core i3, i5, or i7 processors, offering you a laptop that can handle everything from business projects to gaming marathons. The sleek design, with its 14-inch Full HD display and spill-resistant keyboard, ensures that you are not sacrificing performance for portability. You will enjoy vibrant visuals and efficient multitasking whether you are working from home or gaming on the go. The inclusion of Intel Iris Xe graphics on the i5 and i7 models takes performance a step further. When combined with the 8 GB DDR4 RAM, the laptops handle video editing, high-quality gaming, and multimedia tasks effortlessly. Plus, with up to 1 TB of NVMe SSD storage on the i7 model, you get the space you need for files, games, and applications, and with the added bonus of fast boot times and quick file access. HoloWare's Executive Series laptops are designed not just for power, but also for practicality. Equipped with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, these laptops ensure seamless connectivity for both work and play. The versatile ports, including USB 3.2, HDMI, and Type-C, makes it easy to connect to external devices, allowing you to expand your workstation or gaming setup. Whether you're working remotely or gaming with friends, these laptops are built for the long haul. What about the battery life? The Executive Series laptops come with a 55 watt-hour battery that supports long hours of productivity or gaming without needing constant recharging. So whether you are in a meeting, attending classes, or playing your favorite game, you won't have to worry about your laptop running out of juice halfway through your session. The 8 GB DDR4 RAM in these laptops gives you the freedom to multitask without lag or interruptions, keeping up with all your activities, whether it is gaming, video editing, or managing work tasks. This laptop's performance lets you focus on your goals without technical delays slowing you down. In conclusion, HoloWare's Executive Series laptops equipped with 8 GB DDR4 RAM provide the perfect blend of performance, portability, and value. With fast processing speeds, stunning visuals, and plenty of storage options, these laptops are ready to meet the demands of both professionals and gamers alike. And if you are looking for a laptop that balances power and portability, HoloWare has got you covered. For more information, visit holoware.co or email us at marketing@holoware.co. Thanks for tuning in to the Holoware Tech Podcast. Stay connected for more insights into the tech trends shaping our world. Until next time, this is Nazia signing off. Stay connected, stay curious, and keep innovating. Take care.